In this tutorial, I'm going to show you an example of how to use ChatGPT for SEO. One of the basic things you can do is ask ChatGPT to list 10 SEO optimized titles for an article describing how to use ChatGPT for SEO. And so here, ChatGPT is going to type 10 search engine optimized titles for an article. Now, you can replace article describing how to use ChatGPT for SEO with anything else, and it's still going to give you 10 unique titles for your web page. You can also start getting ideas just from this list alone. Now, the best way to use ChatGPT for SEO is to actually ask ChatGPT to list 10 different ways for using ChatGPT to improve SEO, or search engine optimization. So here we're going to get a bunch of ideas. Use ChatGPT to generate relevant long-tail keywords for your articles. Ask ChatGPT to suggest topics or headlines that are likely to perform well in search engines. You can use ChatGPT to generate meta description that accurately summarizes your content and include relevant keywords. Here you can also ask ChatGPT to suggest alternative phrasings or variations of your target keywords for your SEO content. You can also use ChatGPT to generate content outlines or summaries that ensure you're covering all the key topics related to your keyword or topic. You can use it to suggest internal links within your content, or generate unique high-quality content that addresses your target keywords and provides value to your readers. Analyze your content for readability and errors to ensure user-friendly tone, engaging for your audience. You can use ChatGPT to identify related or complementary topics that you can cover in future articles, helping you build content strategy that supports your overall SEO goals. And finally, you can ask ChatGPT to provide insights into emerging trends or topics related to your niche. In this next part of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you might actually use some of these items in ChatGPT. So I'm going to say generate 10 relevant long-tail keywords for my article about making children's books. So here, ChatGPT will list 10 relevant subjects related to making illustrated books, which is here giving us ideas about creating illustrations, creating engaging characters, and all those things. Search engine optimizations sometimes rely on meta descriptions. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate meta descriptions for one of the items on the list that it has just created in the previous message. And you might also add here to use in HTML tag, meta tag. So here ChatGPT will actually give you the actual source code for the meta description and content related to the subject of making illustrated books. Here you can copy and paste it directly into your HTML. And it's even going to give you a description or an explanation of why it actually chose those keywords and sentences. Now, in SEO, diversity of keywords is also sometimes important. So here we can suggest alternative phrasings or variations of keywords. So I'm just going to type into ChatGPT here to list 10 comma-separated keywords based on or related to the meta description that we created in the previous message. And also we can tell ChatGPT to make sure to make them search engine optimized. So here it is. ChatGPT is going to start giving us this list with all these new ideas and keyword variations. Here we have self-publishing, engaging characters, and all kinds of things. Now it's going to tell us here, these keywords are a mix of long-tail and short-tail phrases relevant to the main subject. Another thing you can do is ask ChatGPT to list 10 synonyms of the same keywords from the previous list, so we can improvise our content even further without becoming too repetitive or using commonplace keywords. So we can extract additional ideas just from this list as well. Here, ChatGPT also explained how these keywords can be used to enhance the SEO of your content. And finally, you can ask ChatGPT to actually generate 3 paragraphs of unique content about the process of creating a children's book using SEO-optimized keywords. So here, ChatGPT is going to start generating actual content for your article that incorporates SEO-optimized keywords. Now, obviously, it doesn't have to be a children's illustration book. Your subjects can be really anything that you want. But this tutorial simply outlines the basic process of how you can use ChatGPT to create article content, choose search engine optimized keywords, and do additional research on any additional subjects or subcategories based around those keywords.